Hello, good morning, students. Uh, Today our topic is empirical formula relating mean, median, and mode. So far, we have found only mean, otherwise median or mode. But now, if any one or two measurements are given, then how to find remaining one? That we will discuss today's lecture. Okay. So this formula is 3 median equal to mode plus 2 times mean. Means in symbol 3m equal to z plus 2x bar. Okay, so this formula you have to remember. Most of MCQs or objective questions are asked depends on this formula. Okay, so this formula is useful for 1 or 2 marks question. Okay, so 3m equal to z plus 2x bar. Okay, this is very important formula. You have to memorize it. Now, what is the use of this formula? To find third variable, if any two variables value are given. Means out of m, z and x bar, if any two are given, then obviously by putting value in the formula, you can find or make subject to third one. Suppose z and x bar given, means mode and mean are given, you can easily find median. Same way, if median and mode are given, then you can find mean. Otherwise, if median and mean is given, you can find mode. Okay, so that is very simple. Just you have to subject that particular missing number, okay, or variable. Now, if two equations related to any two variables are given, means instead of two values, suppose you are given two equations. Equations means relation between any two variable. Any two means between m or z, z or x bar, or between m and x bar. Okay. So two equations are enough to find out these two variables or two measurements. Okay. So first of all, you have to solve that equation. Okay. How to solve equation? That is very simple, by elimination method, and that is very simple. No need to go in deep of elimination method. Okay. Either sum of both these variables is given, or otherwise difference of both this variable. I continuously telling about variable. First of all, you know what is meant by variable. Variable means any one of three, either mean, median or mode. Variable is opposite of constant. Any symbol's value is not constant, that is called variable. Suppose x bar, so x bar's value, suppose first in any one question it is 10, then in another question it will be 20, 15, anyway. So these are called variable, means unknown. For time being we can say unknown is a variable now. Okay, so if two unknowns are given, then you can find third one easily. Okay, if two equations are given, so you first of all solve these two equations. Okay, and after solving these two equations, you can place both variables value in the this empirical formula. So third one can be found. So second one will be converted into first step. Okay, now in first number we talk that both values are given, two unknowns values are given. In second one we are discussing about two equations are given. Now third case also be possible there. Sometimes they give us one value and one equation. Out of mean, median, mode, any one's value is given, and relation of remaining two is given. Remaining two means if mean is given, then median and mode's relation given, either median plus mode or median minus mode. Okay, so this way if one value is given and one equation is given, then also you can use the same formula and you can find third one. Okay, whatever asked. Now these types of sums are asked for 1 mark objective question or 2 marks questions. At first lecture of this lesson, I given you that weightage of this lessons in board's exam is of 6 marks. One MCQ is asked, or sorry, one objective question is asked, one 2 marks question is asked, and one 3 marks question is asked. Okay, so either 1 or 2 marks, these types of question can be asked. Okay, now all these uses you can very well understand after understanding the given example. Okay, so I have taken one example. Here two values are given. This median 12 and mode 20, and mean is asked. So you have nothing to do, just write formula, place both values, and just find out third one. Okay, so 3m equal to z plus 2x bar. Values are mostly placed in bracket. Okay, so m's value is placed in bracket. Z, no coefficient of z, so you can write it directly. So 3 into 12 is equal to 20 plus 2x bar. So 12 3s are 36, 20 is shifted towards left side. So 36 minus 20, 16 equal to 2x bar. Okay, so obviously x bar equal to 16 divided by 2. So it is 8. Okay, so it is very simple and primary use of this formula. Okay, no need any special applications for any special knowledge of this lesson. Okay, just you have to remember formula. Now after placing or putting values, you just make subject of required one. Okay, so you can easily find that missing measurement. Okay, so this is very simple example of first one. Now example 2. Look carefully at question. Here both equations are given. In previous one both values are given. Here no value is given. Not a single value, not a single measurement is given. Okay. Instead they have given us two equations. They are relating median and mean. Median and mean. And z is asked, means mode is asked. Third one is asked. Okay. Now how to solve equation, that is not a point of this lesson. Okay, that is algebra. Now how to solve equation? I just put both equations one below another. Okay, so m plus x bar given 31, m minus x bar given 1. So always you will be given these types of very simple equations only. Okay, so after pressing in this way, any one variable will be cancelled out. Okay, so x bar cancel out because it is positive in first equation and negative in second equation. So these both equations are added. Okay, they are added. So same term with opposite signs is cancel out, eliminated. So remaining is m plus m2m equal to 31 plus 132. So median's value, m's value is 16. Okay, so we got one variable. Okay, now after getting one very easily you can find second one. Either use first equation, otherwise second equation. Any one equation you have to use and substitute its value in the equation. I have taken here equation number 1. So in place of m, 16 is written plus x bar equal to 31. Okay, so x bar equal to 31 minus 16. So x bar we got 15. So far we only solve both equations, both simultaneous equations. Now topic of this lesson start. So far these lessons any concept is not used. Okay, now it is going to use. Now use that our main formula 3m equal to z plus 2x bar. So m's value we found 16, z's value z is asked, x bar's value we found 15. So both are placed just like example number 1. Okay, now two values we are already having, so finding third one. Okay, so it is repeating process of example 1. So 16 3 is 48 equal to z plus 15 to the 30. So 30 is shifted towards left side, become minus 48 minus 30. So it becomes 18. Okay, so mode's answer is 18. Okay, So this is a second case. If two values are given, very easily you can find. If two equations are given, first of all you have to solve these two equations, then use this empirical formula. Now third case. If instead both values or both equation, if any one value and one equation is given, then how to solve it? Here m minus x bar equal to given 1, z given 18. Okay, so one value means mod's value is given and remaining two's relation or equation is given. Okay, so how to, here in this case you have to remember, in empirical formula whatever asked, that is kept as it is and remaining two are removed. Now look at this step. And by empirical formula 3m equal to z plus 2x bar. So here m is asked, median is asked. So z and x bar should be removed. Whatever not asked, that should be removed. So median is asked, z and x bar are not asked, so they should be removed either by value or by equation or relation. Okay, so here look at this second line. 3m equal to 18 plus 2 in bracket m minus y, because median is asked, so z and x bar should be removed. How to remove? By placing value if given. So mod's value, z's value is given, so we have written directly. Now x bar's value is not given. Okay, but we can find equation of x bar. So m minus x bar equal to 1. So m minus 1 equal to x bar. So equation of x bar is prepared and then it is placed in formula. Okay, so I have written here not what to be kept in mind. Remove remaining two variables except as by putting their value or equation. So that is one golden rule. You just remember, remaining two variables should be removed by any way, either putting value or putting its equation. Okay, so x bar's equation is not ready in question, so it is prepared here. Okay, now both are removed. Z is replaced by 18 and x bar is replaced by m minus 1. Now this equation is solved. You can see there is only one variable, m is seen in second step. Okay, so 3m equal to 18 plus 2 in bracket m minus 1. Now we can find easily, because from any one equation you can find one variable only, not more than one. Okay, that's why we remove remaining two. Okay, so it is simplified. 3m equal to 18 plus, that bracket is open, so it becomes 2m minus 2. Okay, now terms means like terms are kept together, so 3m and 2m is shifted towards left side, so it is 3m minus 2m and 18 minus 2. Okay, in this types of equation you just keep unknown at left side and numbers at right side. Anyway, unknown at any one side and numbers at opposite side. Okay, so 3m minus 2m, 1m equal to 18 minus 2, 16. Okay, so in this types of case, what you have to remember, first of all, write down formula. In formula, whatever is not asked should be removed. How? By putting value or by putting its equation. If equation is not ready, you have to first of all prepare it and then it is placed. After placing both variables, values or equation, it is very simple, just to simplify. How to simplify, you know. Okay, so this is our third case. Okay, in third case, one equation, one variable is given. So far we discuss three types of question based on empirical formula relating mean, median and mode. Again we remind it fast. In first one, two values are given, so we just put both values and find out third one. In second one, two equations are given. First of all, we solve both this by elimination method, means by adding both equations. So we got two values of both values given in the equation, and after solving these equations we use empirical formula and placed both values. Okay, and third one was found just like example 1. In third one equation given, one value given. So here one thing is extra. You have to remember that remaining two or not necessary two variables should be removed from equation or formula. So here m is asked. So first of all we remove z and x bar. Z's value is already given. X bar's value is not given, but its relation with m is given. Okay. So first of all we prepare its equation and then we placed in the formula. Okay, then we simplify. So I think you understand all three cases well, so it will be useful in objective as well as in 2 marks question. Okay, so far mostly these types of questions are mostly asked in 1 mark question, but sometimes it can be asked for 2 marks. Okay, now I am giving you homework in video only, not separately. Why? Because these types of question you will not find in a worksheet. Hardly you get any 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so I have given 6 sums, each type having 2 sums. Okay, so example 1 related number 1 and 2. Okay, two values are given. In first one z given, x bar given, m asked. In second one m given, x bar given, z is asked. Okay, so these two sums based on example number 1. Okay, now you can take screenshot or you can write down it. Okay, either you just copy in your book, otherwise take screenshot of these homework photographs. Now third and fourth based on example number 2. Two equations are given and third variable is asked. In third one, x bar plus z equal to 37, x bar minus z equal to 3, m is asked. In fourth one, m plus z given 26, m minus z given 2, x bar is asked. Okay, so they are related to example number 2 or similar to example number 2. Now fifth and sixth based on example number 3. One equation given, one value given. So m equal to 12, z minus x bar equal to 3, z is asked. M minus z equal to 2, x bar equal to 12, find z. Okay. If you have any problem, you just repeat again particular example and then only try to solve this one. But if you not try to solve these types of example on the same day, then it will be problematic. Okay, if you try to solve on the same day only, then it will be easily solved. Otherwise you may forget it or a little bit problem might be arised. Okay, thank you.